This is me, and I'll be trying to kill this iron golem right here. But only problem is, I don't know how to use this mace. So, I did some research and found out that the higher you go, the more damage you deal to this iron golem. So, my plan is to go up to the sky and mace this guy. So, I hope this goes well. Eh, eh, I better not mess this up. Oh, first try! Let's go! Alright, bye guys.